All right, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Decided to take a little ride today, and no destination. I'm just gonna ride. Need to get out a few minutes today, so I'm gonna ride through the neighborhood a little bit, up to MacArthur, and try to get some fresh air. However fresh air you can get on MacArthur. I hear the traffic is pretty intense up there, so we'll go out and check it out. Yeah, so we've been sitting cooped up for a long time, and it's getting to a point where I think I'm getting a little frustrated, and I want to get out a little bit. So today I decided to take a little ride, just get out on the bike and drive around the neighborhood a little bit and see what's going on. You know, we're still under some form of quarantine, and there's some restrictions, and we will see what is coming next there. Hopefully this is going to change not before long, because I don't think they can keep it closed like this for very much longer. I'm also testing a little bit of equipment. The camera microphone actually died, so I can't get the natural sound of it. So I'm using a separate sound recorder, and you guys let me know how it sounds. But anyway, this is a little back road out to MacArthur here in Mabalacat. MacArthur is the main road. For those who doesn't know, it's a main road, and it's about 4 o'clock, I think, 5 o'clock, somewhere around there, and traffic looks pretty intense to me, and it doesn't look like we have any kind of restrictions, except though if you look in the Jeepney here, you can see the dividers inside the Jeepney and how people are separated inside by these little plastic shields. I think they're down to maybe like half capacity in the Jeepneys, and but they're still running. Now, about getting fresh air, it's probably not the best place to get fresh air, but I wanted to go up. This road is heading up to downtown Mabalacat, and I'm just going to go up a little bit, see, and then I'm going to turn around and come down and see. I just wanted to check it out, so we'll see. Right, and so anyway, I mentioned the quarantine we are in. There is still quarantine here in the Philippines. I've seen some indication, though, that they are trying to lift this now. So we will see here in the next few days, few weeks, whatever, and see if we can't get life back to normal, even though I don't think we're going to get life back to normal as we have seen it prior to this outbreak. But as long as we can start getting a little travel, do a little travel across the border. Right now we have what do you call it? Checkpoints going across to different provinces here, and you need all kinds of medical papers, certifications, and all kinds of stuff to travel. So the freedom is not yet still there, but hopefully here in the next few weeks it will change. I always say that November 4th we will not hear about this much longer. It's a joke, but I think that has a little bit of the reality with it. Anyway. Alright, so I'm going to turn around here. Like I said, this road leads all the way up to Mabalacat, but I'm going to go the other way and head down to Mabalacat and go into a couple of the barangays and just do a little barangay riding. It won't be speed riding for sure, that's for sure. But I'm going to try to enjoy myself for a little bit. Yeah, it's amazing how the traffic almost get backed up. It might be a sign of returning to normal levels of traffic, normal levels of activity. All right, here we got a stop. So he's telling me to go, and then he kind of still lets people coming out there. But anyway, all right, let's go. So I'm going to run down towards the old McDonald's, and then I'm going to take off and go into the barangay and take a little ride up on some of the side roads and just check it out and see what's going on. Here to your right, you have what we call the Marina Arcade. You can buy anything from refrigerators, military clothes, clothing, generators, all kinds of stuff. It's all there. And on the left here, you have in the evening, you have a lot of guys coming out with their barbecue businesses and open up. And one of them we always go to and get ourselves a little chicken. But as you can see, the traffic is pretty intense, and it's not moving very, very fast. That is for sure. So we'll see here. Everything is normal at this point. It's pre-pandemic traffic at this point. That's what I would say. So we'll see. Down here, Sogo Hotel, one of those low budget hotels or whatever. Never tried it, but some people say it's okay. They have fairly decent rates, one night rates, and long-term stay as well, I think. So it's pretty decent, according to what they tell me. I don't know because I never tried it. All right, so here we're gonna go. We're gonna try to cross the street and go into the left here, and actually, what I'm doing here, I'm driving into the old home site where I actually lived. There was our first apartment was back in here, and then I'm going to go in there and drive around and come up the road and see. If you look straight ahead there, you see a big mountain. If you look at the map on Google Map and look for Mount Arayat, that is what you see, and it's pretty interesting. You see that mountain from many different streets, many different because it stands about, I think it stands about 1,000 feet. About 1,000 meter. And for those of you who does not understand meter, it stands about 3,000 plus feet tall. So it's a big, I think it's an old volcano that was coming up many hundreds of years ago. It's not active volcano or anything like that, but it's there, and we have actually went up there to the bottom of it, and they have a little park up there, and it's fairly decent. Okay, so now I'm inside the barangay. It's not the barangay, it's the home site, those home site. And down here, a few blocks down this road, we actually had an apartment 5 years ago when I got here. Even though my wife we actually got another apartment prior to me coming here in December of 2014, I believe it was. We got a little better apartment up on inside the old San Isidro barangay, and that's where we still are. Actually, we've been there for a few years, and we're have no plans of leaving that area until we actually take off and go down south to Samar, which we actually had planned to do this year. We had planned to go and visit, come back, go down and check our property. That has not happened, and you all know why. So hopefully all that restrictions would be lifted, and if they do lift it, I have in mind that I want to get on the motorbike and actually try to drive down there. Iglesia ni Cristo, one of the largest free religious churches here in the Philippines, I think. I don't know, I don't think they're Catholics, but you see a church like that in almost every single little town, wherever you go. So There's not a whole lot of people out here on the streets inside the barangays, but you see it when you get outside. You know, up on the main road, MacArthur and all around there, you see a lot of traffic, and hopefully everybody here can get back to normal. Okay, this road here will actually take me out to Daw Access Road, which comes off of NLEX where you're coming in from Manila, and this is the main entrance into, or the first entrance into Mabalacat, and I'm going to head up this way and get out there. Alright, so for those of you that has been following us during this 6 months period of pandemic, I've seen that there has been less videos coming out, obviously, due to the restrictions. You can't travel, you can't do anything, but we are about to have that changed here, and one of the things I've been doing over the last few months is going live. So we have guests every time we go live. We have a guest or two or three or whatever, and any one of you who wants to come on live with us, send us a link when you see the live feed coming up. Just let us know, and we'll send you an invitation to be live with us. That could be fun, and I like to interact with people and hear from you and hear from subscribers. So that live feed is every Wednesday evening and Saturday evening at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's 8:15 a.m. on Thursday and Sunday here in the Philippines. So anybody is welcome. And we are coming back, and I'm close back to home, and this was a little ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride, and we'll see you again. So tomorrow we have a live feed, and you're welcome, and join us on that, and we go from there. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless, and we'll see you soon again. And hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.